In this video, we're going to be talking about the promo cards feature. This is basically a tool that allows you to create free images that you can use in the promotion of your songs. So without further ado, let's just show you how to create those, how they look, and really you let us know down in the comment section if that tool is one that you're interested in using. So the first thing is you'll obviously need to log into your DistroKid dashboard. You'll be brought to the My Music section, which is this, but you'll need to navigate to this tab at the top, in the top right corner, and click on it. Once you've clicked, come to the Promote Yourself option, click on that, and then go to promo cards, where you can see it's described as free images to promote your music online. So let's click on that. So you'll be directed to a page that looks like this. So we'll need to select a release. So maybe let's say no burnout, right? And then we generate promo cards. Boom. Ooh. You can't tell me these don't look nice. Come on. Come on. Imagine this. Imagine this in your stories, right? So just picture this. You post this as a story. Your song is playing in the Instagram stories as well. You've selected your song and it just looks clean. You know, it looks clean. There are also these other options. They're just these different backgrounds that are available to you. Ooh, this looks fire, mostly for the type of song, no burnout. I should actually download this. I am going to download this particular one just to show you how to download it off the desktop, because it differs from downloading it from your phone. So yeah, as mentioned in previous videos, definitely these templates are a bit limited, and then customization, you can't really customize them. So those are the limitations, but for a free platform, yo, I think it makes sense, you know. So how do you get your promo card now that you've selected it, right? So at the top here, you can see long press any pic to save it to your phone, or click the pic to share. So if you're using a phone, you do as told. However, if you're using a desktop, they have mentioned clicking on the image and sharing it. When I try to do that, because I'm using a Windows laptop, when I click that, this is what it shows me to share a link. It doesn't bring up my social media accounts to do that, so it doesn't really serve me. So instead, what you can do is you click that and then you open link in new tab, right? Boom. Now it's open in this tab. What you do from here, you click and then you save image as. Boom. Download, let's call that NBO, which is no burnout. Boom. And then you can see it's downloaded here. It's a JPEG. So you click on it, boom. And then you have your promo card ready to be shared as a reel, as a story, as just a plain post, an image. It's really up to you. This looks really good. I like this, man. I like this. Now, if this video has inspired you to get yourself a DistroKid subscription, you can get yourself a 7% discount for making that choice using our link below on your first subscription. Secondly, if you want to catch the other marketing tools on the DistroKid platform, we have a playlist below as mentioned earlier. One of them is paid, but the rest are free. And yeah, let us know your experience using them. Also, leave us a comment on this video to let us know you watched until the end.